Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to actually a brand new video. So today I am going to show y'all what I am packing and bringing to Disney. Now I've never done these kind of videos before, so you're just going to have to bear with me, but let's just get right into it because this is going to be a very long video. So first off, I have my list that my lovely friend got me, because I was actually doing a case at the hospital and she just wrote down everything that I needed and we just added to it. So first and foremost, the most important thing that you should bring is, I'm not going to flip it around so you don't see it, but these pieces of paper are my info to the hotel, my tickets to Disney, so you want to make sure that you have packed those because it's like a 7-hour trip for us, and if we forgot it, then it's going to be a very sad. I would cry. So make sure that you have your information for Disney and for your hotel, so because you do not want that to happen. You do not want to go home crying. So the next thing, I'm just going to pull because there's like a big old pile of stuff that I'm going to pack, and I'm just going to grab and go so it'll just be easier for us. So this is kind of like a vlog style, but anyway, so next, Mickey ears. So I've never been, and I bought these Mickey ears at Charmin Charlie because they are going out of business, and these were originally like $12 and I got them for $9 a piece. Absolutely love them. I'm going to let my friend that's actually going to be flying in from North Carolina, I'm going to let her wear one also for one day and then we'll just switch. But gotta have these Mickeys because they're like $30 over at the park. So we're gonna do that. Hairbrush, there's a must. Eyeglass case, I never bring my eyeglass case, but since I am going to be going on rides at the parks, that whenever, if it's I don't know, a roller coaster, I don't know if they have roller coasters, I've never been, so I don't know, but I'm gonna put this in my fanny pack and I can just take these off whenever I ride the rides, so it'll be much easier for me. Toothbrush, make sure you bring your toothbrush because they would not have any at the hotel. I mean, they probably do, but then you have to pay like $3, so you have to have that. I'm bringing my straightener. I usually never straighten my hair, but just in case we have to like go somewhere like out to dinner and we're not going to do it at the park, so that's just if. The next thing I'm not going to show y'all, but bras and underwear. Make sure we're going for 5 days. I'm bringing 7 pairs of underwear and 1 good bra, and then I'm mostly going to be wearing like sports bra because these are the kind of shirts I'm probably going to wear. The comfort colors tank tops, and I want to wear sports bra. I want to be comfortable, so that's what we're going to do. And then next, we got shorts. I have 3 pairs of shorts. There's 1 washing right now that I'm going to bring. And then I have some other things. So I have to have options. I'm a girl, okay? I've just picked up a good book from my bookshelf. This bookshelf back here are all the books I really need to read. So I picked this one up. It's Bob by Nicholas Gannon. It's a middle grade book, but I thought it was super simple if I have time like in the hotel or whatever. So I'm going to do that. In case it rains, I do not want to be carrying a umbrella. I have my rain jacket that I'm going to use. Yeah, I'm just going to tie this around my waist. If I think it's going to rain, I'll bring it. If not, I'll just, I'll just YOLO it all day. So it's fine. I'm going to bring an extra little bag. This is going to be for my dirty, like my socks, my underwears, all that stuff. So I got this little bag. It was only $1 at Forever 21. Let's see. Bathing suits. I'm probably not going to have time to go to the pool at the resort that we're staying at, but I have 2 things of bathing suits, 2 tops, and then I got 1 black pair. So, I mean, just in case. I'm going to try to. I'm bringing my Kindle just in case, like, when we come home and I can't sleep or anything, so I can watch my YouTube or Hulu or Netflix or anything like that, so it'll be fine. Makeup, I think I have like 2 bags. One for my brushes, and then one is like my makeup. So we have like eyeshadow. My go-to foundation is Tarte, the Amazon. But then I also have my MAC, Mary Kay if I want it, sorry. Concealer, anything like that. And then this has my brushes, which are my Jaclyn Hill brushes that I got for Christmas from one of my really good friends. Let's see, headphones. Definitely buy some headphones. Like, you can do cheap headphones, like for the car ride there, car ride back, anything like that. I've had these LG Bluetooth that we got at Best Buy. I got them for like, I don't know, maybe $18 or something like that. But these just wrap around your neck, and I can just carry this around, and it's really good to connect to your Kindle or your phone or anything like that. I absolutely love it. I use it all the time at work. Let's see. Let me move the sports bras over. Toothpaste. Don't forget toothpaste. I think they maybe give you toothpaste at the hotel. I mean, I'm pretty sure they do, but I can only use Arm & Hammer because Arm & Hammer is the only toothpaste that actually works for my teeth. So I gotta bring those. Let's see what else. Oh, here are the comfort colors. Like this tank top. I'm actually gonna wash this and pack it also. But these comfort colors, I have yellow and blue. So these will match with one of my shorts in case I want to wear those and be comfortable and everything. T-shirt wise, I'm bringing those 2 comfort colors that I'm bringing. So I'm bringing 3 tank tops, and then I have 2 regular t-shirts. So one's like kind of more like fitting, and the other 2 is just a cute like yellow shirt, like, you know, go cute with that blue navy shorts that I have, and then a regular pink one. So that is 6 shirts just in case something happens. You never know, you guys. All right, so let me get some more stuff together that's like closer to me, and then we will go from there, okay? All right, so the next thing is, from the shorts, I am actually bringing a pair of leggings, and then a pair of my like capris, like capri pants, because I don't know if there's a gym at the resort, but I would love to go to the gym while I'm down there, because I'm going to be eating a lot of food, snacking on a lot of bad snacks. So yeah, I'm going to have to do that. Sleeping clothes will be there for 4 days from Monday through Wednesday. So I'm packing 2 sets of pajamas, so a shorts and the shirts. I thought that would, that would probably be enough, right? Socks. Of course, always bring socks. So I have 5 pairs of socks that I'm going to bring. Fanny pack. This is my fanny pack. I actually have 2. I might make Jared wear one, but he said that he was going to bring his backpack, which is allowed. So probably going to do that. But here's a fanny pack that I'm actually going to wear. It's really, really big. There's a pocket in the front, like right here. And then there's this one right here that has another pocket, and it's like some mesh pocket right there. So make sure you carry your ID, your money, your Disney card, everything. Make sure you have that with you. Okay, we are going to need face wash. This actually should already be in my little bag that I'm going to show you, but deodorant. Sunscreen, which I hate wearing sunscreen. I do. I'm naturally tan because I'm half Filipino and half Caucasian. So I tan very easily, but it takes a while for me to burn. But, we're going to be there for like 12 hours. Probably no break because, we're just going to go hardcore on my first time there. But sunscreen, just in case. I also have this little bag that I got from Etsy. I have my medicine, which is my naproxen, because I have really bad migraines. So I had to get that. We have some pads, Germ-X, just in case. I just pack for literally everything. I have literally cotton balls if I need it. I have a pen, just in case. You never know. Also, I have Band-Aids. So that's everything on this little bag that I'm going to do. Don't forget your charger. So this is what I'm going to use to plug it up at the hotel, but I don't have it with me because it's charging right now. I have a portable charger that I'm actually going to bring to the park, that when my phone dies, I would just plug it up and it's going to charge all day. So it's a really good battery pack. Razor, just in case you need it. Definitely one of my top 5 things you have to have is cash. I do not want to use my debit card if I don't have to, because I don't want somebody to like hack my card when I'm down there. But get as much cash as possible. Now, if you have seen my videos, you have known that this is my vacation sinking fund, and I have been saving for well over, I don't know, since May. And I have all of this money that I have cashed out, have been saving, so it's about $700 and something, and I am going to just bring cash. I will bring my debit card just in case, because I have to present my debit card for proof that I bought the tickets and then the hotel. But other than that, cash all the way. Jared can bring his card, and I could just use his. Alright, let's see. Shoes wise, I'm going to be wearing flip-flops on the way down there for the ride. And then I have my regular tennis shoes that I'm going to wear. And then I bought some tennis shoes during Prime Day that I'm actually going to bring too. So I have 2 pairs of tennis shoes and some like Birkenstock sandals that I'm going to bring. My contour, if I want to contour, probably not. A little cover for my toothbrush. If I'm bringing the electric toothbrush, I'm not sure. Oof, my back is hurting from doing this. Alright, so the last thing that I'm actually going to show you is this little bag. So this is from Marley Lily. It's a online store. My friend got it for me for Christmas, and it's literally just a bag, and you just put stuff in. It's pretty much you just put like your beauty stuff in here, but it has a pocket in the front, and then on the inside it has like the plastic, if you can hear that, it has the plastic little line in there, so it'll be like easy clean up. So what I have in here, and this will be the last thing I actually show y'all, but dry shampoo. I have some hair polish, which is kind of like gel. My friend got me. I got some makeup remover. I have some more pads for, this is what my dermatologist gave me to use for my face. Some more headache medicine that was prescribed to me. Let's see, I have my shampoo and conditioner, my tea tree shampoo and conditioner, and they are in this little travel section, bottles I mean, and then some soft soap. So that is pretty much everything that I'm going to be packing. Like, I have some other little things that I need to pack, like probably going to pack a towel just in case. And then I have a couple of like wash rags I'm probably going to pack. But other than that, I think I'm ready for Disney. I'm so excited, you guys. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is what I am bringing for Disney. And make sure you follow me, because I will try my hardest to vlog, because I really want to remember everything that happens at Disney, because it's going to be my first time. So, yeah. But anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you subscribe down below and comment whether you've been to Disney before, and let me know all like the tips and tricks that I should know, because I will be uploading this while we're driving to Disney. So make sure you comment down below and everything else. So I'm so excited, and I will see you guys later. Bye, you guys.